Welcome once again on top of our village meeting for evening Oyoyo. And for inside the studio for this evening, I tell you, we get a very, 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 very big person. Where we say, una self go one hear this person voice. Whether a man, whether a woman. And when he talk, now una go hear or una go know. And make us just give you small profile, or you people call him biography. Small one about him. Then he go help us correct the ones who we not to know. This person we had to tell you, himself na presidential candidate for one party, waiting they call AAC. And waiting be the meaning of AAC, I go give you that assignment, make you begin to define them by yourself now. And this man, yes, him, them born him in the early 70s. Make I no go tell na age now, me when I go begin to the doctor him. Because the way election not reach, I know they trust una.
Every second
and as I tell you, if not true, they say them born now from Ondo State, he go tell us, and he go school for University of Lagos. Whether not true, whether not lie, he go let us know. And they saying there for that school, he pay for the school from 1989 go reach in 1995. Not true, we go know whether not true, whether not lie. All right, and then saying even run come up for Naija, enter Columbia University. Whether not true, whether not lie, we go know. But any which way, those way they follow us well, you suppose don't know. And himself, na confirmed journalist, na publisher, and we hear say na him be the owner of Sahara Reporters. Whether not lie, whether not true, we go know today. And as I talk to you now be small thing, make we welcome this man. Where I don't know whether a political activist, I go call him, or a human rights activist, he go let us know. Please, make una join on our hands together. Help me welcome the one and only Omoyele Showore. Mr. Showore, welcome to Wazobia FM for this evening.
Thank you for bringing me. Good evening to you here. You're excited, man.
All right, nothing. Help us increase the volume of your voice.
Yes.
Will I say that whether don't touch the voice more? Or secondly, maybe you don't talk plenty today.
I don't talk plenty since I enter Lagos.
Okay. All right. I beg you go help us correct one or two things. Then say you take for Unilag. Well, not true.
Not true. I spent 6 years.
6 years. What happened? A strike?
Strike day, they expel us twice for university because we they fight military.
All right. Now you finish for Unilag, Abi, you no finish.
I finish.
You
yes. I
after the expulsion, you come back again.
we come back. And I come finish. Can't go do NYC.
You do NYSC.
Yes.
You come back. All right. Now, as you finish for Unilag, you can't go another university for Obodo Ibo, they call Columbia University.
Yes, for New York.
Where do you go to another?
I go do my master's.
You go do masters for
years,
this.
yes.
Okay, 2 years.
Public administration.
All right, public administration.
Yes.
All right, now political activist you be, I been a human rights activist.
You know, say you know, feel differentiates. It depends on how people they look at, because human rights ain't they the most political activity for this world. So, but you know, for the sake of make I no waste your time.
All right.
A political activist.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. All right. Once again, Mr. Omoyele Showore. Okpayemi dey your name?
No, Omoyele Showore.
Okay.
Yes.
Omoyele Showore. I beg.
Now my wife be Okpayemi.
Okay. Many people know this your name. They had a lot of people will not be from the southwest to pronounce. You know, you will tell us how to pronounce the name at the same time. Tell us the meaning, because if like say a deep Yoruba name.
Deep. Omoyele na say Pikin, they very befitting of home.
Okay.
Showore. Now say anybody where they follow do business, it's better me una be friend though.
Showore.
Yes.
Ore. Showodore.
Yes, like business partner become friend.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now, in between these two names, Omoyele Showore. Abi?
Showore.
Showore.
Yes.
No English name in between.
I know the Englishman. Although my papa give me some name will be English name, but me I know they carry English name because English man no get Yoruba name.
Now we don't give them.
Yes. No.
Yes, because during the slave trade, now then come here, can't give us.
Exactly. Maybe they manage our names as a B. May they carry their own name.
Name go.
So, yes.
All right. Nothing do you. We are beg. We go come back. Make we do small business. So you both call and make we pay bills. You know now. Yeah. We go pay small bills. After the bills, we go come back. We can enter the nitty gritty of everywhere we dey here. Mr. Showore, yes. Before we go enter well. You know, say you've been there court before. They don't lift all those embargo where they put to say you know go fit to leave Abuja. They don't lift them. This one where I see you for Lagos.
Yeah, they don't lift them.
They don't finally lift them.
Yes, Court of Appeal don't lift them.
All right, so you go fit leave Lagos now, enter Calabar. Anywhere. So you.
But they still seize my passport. I no fit travel.
Oh,
abroad.
you no fit travel
abroad.
You no fit travel abroad. Yes. So wetin be their reason why they leave you? Say okay, you go fit go within Nigeria, and you no go fit go abroad.
Now them sabi now.
Because from wetin we know, they say you get the right to life, you get the right to free movement. So if somebody sees your passport, meaning say you no get right to free movement.
Now violation of my right, my arrest, my detention,
yes,
my restriction to Abuja, all of them are violation of my rights, and we don't challenge them.
Okay.
But we go still challenge and reach where people will do this one. We go make sure say they don't go do them again.
Okay.
And all those people when they think about say they fit do this kind of thing to fellow citizens in the future,
yes,
they go learn their lesson too.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. I like as they make them brief so that we go fit talk plenty because a lot of people then they like if you see my social media now, your fans then they there then they hail. All right. Now, since 1960, where they claim say we get independent.
Yes.
You think say the leaders where don't they lead this country since 1960 till today? You think say they don't achieve anything?
No, I don't think that they achieve anything. They don't not disappointment them when them be. But the first thing we say, the independence where we get, not be the kind of bonga independence where other people they get, we fight for the same independence at our time.
Okay.
Because independence where you get when you drink coffee with your oppressor, it different from independence where you get when they say nah, for example, bush, you know, settle the matter.
Okay.
Yes. That's why our own independence is different. You know, we just they go London when they tired and they give us flag independence.
Okay.
And as I like talk,
yes.
If you look at our flag self, it reflects on our independence. Now we get the laziest flag where I don't see for the whole world.
Why you call it lazy flag?
Because there's nothing.
It represents something.
It doesn't
green, white, green.
We don't have any creativity to it. You understand? Even if not to just throw red in the middle or black, if for they a little bit artistic, you know, it just they bland.
But when you they talk red, if not to just throw it, just be like say you they talk now. If to say that color, maybe red now your favorite color. If to say them put on, at least you for appreciate.
No, I they talk about creativity, and those things are also very important.
Okay.
There are some things you look at. You know, we are in the world of branding these days. You know, brands are very important.
Okay.
And one of the thing that's important about brand is that any brand you are creating, it must come with loyalty. Where people go say, now my brand be this.
Yes.
Nigeria philosophically was not anybody's brand the way it was the way we got independence.
All right. Now you they talk say the independent way we get when we they drink coffee, and independent way person go get when he dey inside bush now two different things.
Not two different ones.
So you mean say our own
now by negotiation.
Now negotiation, meaning say we still dey under slavery. Now what you they try to tell us?
We was in some cases we was past slavery self.
Presently,
they look at from our oil. Crude oil.
Yes.
Now we still they control them. Now not be we now. We dey under to slavery. We still dey under neo-colonial control. Our independence colonial masters they never come out. Now we can't dey inside internal recolonization by our own people.
Internal recolonization.
Yes.
And we never free.
No, which one? One never come out. You dey talk about the second one. The second one come even worse. Because this one our own brothers. The time we dey under white colonization, British, we feel complain say may they leave our land. But how do you tell your own brother to leave your country when he's doing worse things to you? That's the problem that we are facing. It's neo-colonial recolonization where we say our colonial masters now internally, they're wicked past the Igbo people. or before 1960.
So Oyibo now, from your point of view, they don't comot hand, abi they still dey?
No, now the same thing. Now, you know, they comot hand, but they not comot spirit.
Okay.
So,
Sorry.
so I get some small code. Because they can't carry their own boys. So they carry and go. You understand? It's not be like saying you principal. Person when you want flog, you just make senior prefect go flog them. Flog now.
All right. So because of what you talk, recolonization
Yes.
from our own brothers.
Internal recolonization.
Meaning, say you agree with the people where they call for secession. Now, what you they try to tell me?
No, I agree with people where they call for self-determination.
Okay.
Because they no find acceptance. We cover, you know, their dignity and identity inside the system. You see, what happened with Nigeria? Because Nigeria was not created as a country, as a nation. It was created as a company.
Okay. Yes.
It was created in 1899 or 1901.
Or the UAC something.
Yes, Royal Naija
Company.
So it was created like you could just come inside one place, just set up shop right. See, I'll come the shop from there. That was what Nigeria was. So Nigeria never had a chance to really become a nation. Even so many of the institutions within Nigeria, like the police, for example.
Yes.
The police was not created for the Nigerian people. It was created for the queen. At a point, it was referred to as the Queen Constabulary. One time they call her Masquerade. You know, it don't go through all those things. The police originally, or the armed forces, was not created to protect Nigeria. It was meant to protect the colonial master
whites
against our
the
own
citizens.
people. So we didn't quite make all the transitions that we needed to make. That's why I said Nigeria never became a nation. And that opportunity we couldn't get to become nation, it was halted by, you know, our internal disagreements, then war, and we never healed from one before we moved to the other one. Then military rule came. After military rule, civilian rule came, manipulation enter, corruption enter. You know, it was a time of 10% tax. Now nobody they even do 10% anymore. Contractors just give you contract, collect, you know, go implement. And then we can't enter the kind of democracy where we enter. Now the Baruf democracy, now enter Nigeria. The one where we say morons just hijack them, just they do as they like with them. Now their salary they high, the salary of the voters
They low.
don't mean anything. And then they stay for nice house, the house of the citizens, they like shark. Now then they go good school. Somebody will carry the money where they supposed to take train 1,000 students for secondary school, take send can go London to go school. How the country go? So inequality come full everywhere. That is where strife comes from. All this terrorism, banditry, kidnapping, they have something to do with the economic inequality. On top of that, we don't get chance to ever create our own constitution. 23 years ago, military just carry constitution, just to give us 1999 constitution. We know they there. The first word where they write on top of the constitution, fraud. We the people. We know they there now. I was a student activist in the 90s. There was never a time anybody called us a meeting. See me when I concrete in our constitution. Even the day when they swear in Obasanjo, they had not printed the constitution, the 1999 constitution. Go and ask.
So there was no constitution when they swore in Obasanjo?
Go and Google it. Ungo the way be Minister of Information say there was no. They just go find one, carry
one paper,
just print and photocopy. Oh yeah. Now later, then they do that because constitution. Now people suppose they create constitution. Anywhere where people no create constitution, constitution go create people, and they can create any kind because now the powers that be, then they use constitution to do what in them like. So I just give this background so that people can understand why the question of secession, you know, question of people saying they want self-determination, even restructuring, is a call for, say, this system.
So it is very necessary
that this system
restructuring is necessary.
It's not accommodating us. So people are calling for. Some people don't even understand within it, but anything where they feel use as buzzword to threaten the system, to open up the system to accommodate them, they use it. So that is why we are in the situation that we are in today. But the truth be say, now leadership now cause the problem. If to see Nigeria get kind of right kind of leadership, not be we alone where colonial master colonize now. Colonial master has been colonizing India too now. They are one of the most successful countries in the world. It doesn't mean that they don't have poor people, but it's not be say make poverty capital of the world come out from India. Come stay for Nigeria. China look at the way they are doing. They get big population. So if you use population as excuse anymore, all the excuse we our leaders they use for here is no longer tenable as the reason why Nigeria is not successful. But any country where they vote or select or appoint their enemies as their leader, the country not succeed.
All right, now make we. I want to ask one question because we always use this slogan, and I could just ask you in one sentence, make you agree or you disagree. Yes, we always use one Nigeria. Do you, from the bottom of your heart, agree after the amalgamation of 1914, say Nigeria till today will be one?
I wasn't there when they amalgamate Nigeria.
Okay.
So how I go agree with place where I don't participate? Mine is that there should be a just, fair, and equitable Nigeria.
Okay.
One Nigeria and a number doesn't take care of.
All right, now make we enter election small. I get like 3 minutes or 2.5 minutes more. We'll go do business. 2023 general election.
Yes.
It don't be very close. Where we say you two, you they partake as the flag bearer of your party. You think say the citizens of this country, you think say then they ready?
That question they a little bit very complicated.
Okay.
Because citizens feel they ready, but there are processes that must also be ready.
Okay.
And because all these processes have been leading to false starts and results, a lot of citizens don't give up. There's citizen apathy, there's citizen hope fatigue. When you hope too much, the hope you have what I call hope fatigue. Let me make this word up.
Okay.
Hope fatigue.
Fatigue.
Yes. So if we say for sure, say citizens they're ready. But one thing I know is that people are always curious as to how to change the objective condition of Nigeria.
All right.
Our citizens, and you can see it from the excitement from the youth department.
Yeah.
And it didn't happen just by 2020. They were excited also in 2019. That's why a lot of people collected PVC. But as the election finish, now vote we vote, now allocation they allocate votes. Now election we do, now selection them come carry out. So that make a lot of people be very doubtful if elections can actually resolve the question of democracy and citizen participation and representation.
Okay. All right. Before I go on this break, I just get 1 minute. Make I ask you now. INEC,
yes,
Independent National Electoral Commission. Then say them be independent. You think say they really they independent? They know they take order. They know they take order from anybody. Then they do this thing transparently on their own. You think say then they independent?
No.
They know they're independent. No. Where then can they collect order from?
The order from above now.
Where be the above?
Also rock, police, army, politicians will get money, state governors. The way to look at INEC is say, if we talk say a body they independent, when it be say the president who is a partisan, now they appoint the leader of the organization. How can you be independent when a president will appoint to go look for you? Your loyalty first and foremost, and the person will give you the job now. To change that, the process of appointment of INEC chairman should not be done by the president of the country. All
right. With that one, we go come back and you go tell us who go do it. Now, who you think say supposed to appoint INEC chairman, and you think say the INEC chairman supposed to be a partisan politician or a neutral body?
It should be completely neutral now.
All right.
Yeah.
So they go come from outside Nigeria or how?
They must be from Nigeria.
Okay.
You understand? And the way I just look and say, you get us, even though the way they appoint judges, they very listen, but make it be say a separate independent body who first recommend. They go look for headhunt person will get credibility. Come recommend them. And the moment they reach that recommendation, the president no fit change the person.
So who then go they report to? Who INEC go they report to? They on their own?
They have the INEC.
Yes.
Go they report to the Nigerian people.
Okay.
You understand? The same way other arms of government they report to
the Nigerian people.
But they are also they'll be subject, like part of the way to make it independent.
Yes.
Is for them to have their own budget. We know they subjected to
sorry.
Executive control.
Okay.
So that first line item where their money they come from, where they come from.
Okay.
Not say you will go back president or go back president of the Senate, say I beg go make you approve our this thing. But of course, the important thing is say make abuse no dey, make oversight dey.
Okay.
From the National Assembly.
Make we enter politics now. You know, say campaign go still start. I think on the 28th of this month, right?
That's correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Now, many people don't they talk and say it be like say the race go be for 3 major political party, like PDP, APC, and the one will be like saying a newborn baby now, Labour. Where your party dey for inside this race?
Now competition. They never even start to they do.
Help us speak loud.
Yes, we never even start to they do campaign.
Okay.
It just be like say make somebody never write exam. You talk say
you don't carry first.
Carry first. You know, it gets some people way yes for class.
Yes.
You know that they brilliant. But the thing where they happen now be say nobody fit talk say any party or 3 parties now go lead, because Nigerians they look for leaders. They go command them from this yama where we dey. And now the 2 of the parties,
okay,
now them put us for this yama, one for 16 years.
Yes.
The other one now for 7 years.
Yes.
The one where you say be their baby, now one of their babies.
Okay.
Now true. Now them born Labour too.
Okay.
Because the man will come from Labour, they come from PDP, from there enter APGA, enter PDP again, come enter Labour Party. Now we be the only party, the African National Congress.
Yes.
Where we say as a day now only one place we don't stand since 2018 where we don't start. We no enter any alliance with anybody. Even when somebody want to carry one Yama alliance for Rivers State, we come out hand quickly. And our own manifesto agenda different from all of the day radical.
Okay.
We want to pull Nigerians out of poverty.
Okay.
We want to pull Nigerians out of insecurity. We want to return electricity to something where we not go dey look at it is in a serious
thing.
Because any country where they serious, you want industrialize, you want make progress, you want create, you must solve that energy crisis first, which is power, fuel, and other sources of energy. And the young people or people we get brain, we full our party.
Yes.
As it be here, so
yes.
Now maybe the only can you call me aspirant before I be
candidate, yeah.
We get website, we break down everything, we be solution to Nigeria. In fact, the big party, the big for nothing parties where they talk about, they go there, they steal ideas. They don't even get shame, plagiarize, because then they don't get candidate. Now the truth be that.
All right, I no go want to make we will be patriotic citizens, all of us. I no go want make we insult anybody. Make
not
we
dey
patriotic.
Truth,
yes, make we just dey patriotic. For more forget all the fight.
No
make
fight.
we Nigerians want hear wetin you want do for them from this your party will be AAC. I believe say you get manifesto, but before we enter your manifesto, somebody for on top Twitter now, some people they provoke, some people they support you. And I beg, if you want to follow us for Twitter, ask question, hashtag 2023 election waka. I repeat, hashtag 2023 election waka. Then you ask your question. And if you follow me for my own Instagram, expensive himself at expensive himself. All right, now this person say, expensive, good evening, sir. He said my question goes to Mr. Showore. He said, you are part of the people that brought Buhari on us. But, I don't want to use the word because the word no dey polite. He said, you deny on national TV. Say you know they part of the people because your principle don't fail them. He say your own principle don't fail them. Say you deny, say you know the part of the people we put us for this regime.
Not be say I deny.
Okay.
I was never part of anybody we bring Buhari. They know. Now the national anthem of PDP when they defeat them be that. One time they talk saying Obama, now bring Buhari. Why they know they blame Obama anymore? The people we bring Buhari, then they for PDP. Now, then they for APC. Them don't confess. The Ashiwaju when they for Lagos, he come out confessing I bring Buhari. Atiku, he give Buhari money for 2015, give a private jet. But the people where they complain for here, and them be the deputy to Atiku for 2019, where they articulate. You understand? The people where bring Buhari, they know them.
But you know they part of those people where do Occupy Naija.
Occupy Naija.
Yes.
Now bring Buhari. Not be Occupy Naija.
Now Occupy Naija comot Jonathan, then Buhari enter.
Not be 2012 we do Occupy Naija.
Now who dey power then?
Now Jonathan.
Now from there the
Occupy
critics.
Nigeria.
Yes.
Nah, protest
against
Jonathan's
say
corruption.
wetin him do.
Say in dey corrupt. Now through Occupy Nigeria we discover say they take bring fuel come this country for ship we don't seek.
All right.
20 years before.
Okay.
They carry all of them. After Occupy Nigeria, now Jonathan open up say he no say nah the oil subsidy regime na fraud. Begin arrest people with DSL.
All right, you fit give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Jonathan offenses wey make una do Occupy Naija.
It plenty.
Oh yeah, just tell us.
One of them.
Yes. Yes.
Now the fraud in the subsidy regime.
Okay.
The second.
Yes.
And the fraud, multi-billion dollar fraud that has to do with how they make one company like this owned by some guy here.
Okay.
And we wish the minister of petroleum resources we don't run since 2015 go London where they carry fuel, of which the central bank governor himself come out at that time say they don't steal over 1.something billion. And the thing go to trial even for Italy, where they discover say they trace money enter the hand of the attorney general at that time. Still they do trial now. The fraud wey im wife they commit, in which even till now EFCC still dey recover money from the first lady.
Okay.
You understand? Yes. The fraud wey they commit for Boko Haram, fraud that when Boko Haram was at the peak.
Yes.
They were sharing money made for Boko Haram.
Okay.
To themselves, and they use it for election.
Okay.
All this information had been coming out since when Jonathan came into office.
But 1 and 2 where you talk now the same fuel. You talk about fuel subsidy.
I don't talk about Boko Haram.
I don't
talk about a wife.
Now, living wife now. We no. Talk of the person who
they are all part of the people where they steal Nigeria.
All right, now you say fraud for Boko Haram. The Boko Haram now, it don't solve. The fraud don't solve or is still.
Not be the fraud. What did they do that time? Now make Boko Haram come the buga on top of us. So it starts with that time. It's just like make they talk about electricity now, and you want exempt PDP. We spend $16 billion.
All right,
for generating darkness.
All right, now when you say fraud for Boko Haram,
yes.
Now Jonathan they in charge to buy arms and ammunition because the accusation they link finger to some places. Now Jonathan 90 the money, abi him follow share the Boko Haram money where then somebody take buy arms.
Who be president of Nigeria?
Then.
Not then.
Yes, na Boko Haram and Jonathan.
When Dasuki matter, who was Dasuki national security advisor to? Not be Jonathan.
Yeah.
Not be Jonathan election. Then they take share money. One governor, former governor, collect 4.3 billion naira to go. They do prayer for Saudi Arabia. Bafarawa.
All right.
Under Jonathan.
All right. Now 4.3 billion.
Yes.
Now, you won't compare them to somebody wey chop. The accountant general, you know how much wey they take carry and go court for?
Where you they talk to?
Yes,
I support accountant general.
No, I just they ask.
No, so you they text say the small thief is better than big thief.
I never talk like that. Now you just talk am now.
Now you they compare.
Now you just talk am.
Because if to say we don't teach those ones lesson, accountant general no go fit they do wetin they do. Me, I'm what the person.
No,
you don't feel justify.
Show worry make we.
That's why me I know they follow.
Let's call a spade a spade. When you say somebody thief 4 point something and somebody thief 97 billion, which one was pass?
They are both terrible. Any kind of stealing is bad. I know they among Nigerians.
Okay.
Where they talk say make we they manage lesser evil. Evil no get caliber, no get category. Evil are evil.
Okay.
Yes. So on that one, I'm on the same page with you.
Okay.
The problem where I get with some Nigerians be say if the thief not from their area, they're comfortable with them. You know, if not their religion, the thief is not a bad one. But me, I condemn all the thief. You understand? Now me go work to expose person wey steal 4 point something billion. I go expose the one way and condemn the person wey steal 1.90 billion. I don't speak today. This is my third interview today.
All right.
Where they talk say all this ASU strike, the money way at accountant general steal. If you join that with 6.2 billion where they give Katsina State to do fake Ruga, if you give ASU ASU strike don't end.
Wazobia FM now still there, and say be like this. If you check your time, you too, you go see say now like 28 minutes. It remain where we say 8 o'clock self go stand attention, and for this evening, not a small thing at all, we get the presidential candidate of African Action Congress, Omoyele Sowore, for inside the studios. Yes, very friendly young man, very handsome. Somebody they tell me say like your haircut. Yeah. You know, say you do one like galas, it go sharp. So
you know, make I tell you, during the struggle for independence,
yes,
haircut be part of the struggle.
Yes.
See Mandela haircut, see Lumumba haircut, Nkrumah haircut. Now part of the resistance look. All
right, so in future we go see Omoyele Sowore haircut.
Just enter Babin Salon. They give you show time.
Show time. Yes. All right. Now, people don't they talk. They say as former SUG Presido, Nigeria student don't they for house for the past 6 months. They say make you talk through. Say now who get the fault? Now government, I been at ASU. I been at the students.
Not the government. No.
How? Make you explain.
But I go extend and rich students.
Oh yeah, now let's go.
The reason be say I know if you believe say students just they look.
Now I want to talk. Say yes, during your time,
during our time,
now rugged level.
They know to try this kind of thing.
So
we for don't enter town, scatter everywhere. I mean, scatter in a peaceful way.
Protest,
peaceful protest. But they go know say people won't go back to school.
Okay,
you understand? Because they close school during our own time too now. But when we enter back, we will make sure say we first of all force them to reopen school, force them to negotiate, because this one are the future of the country. You understand? It doesn't matter. You fit throw the blame left, right, and center, but it is not just fair and equitable. Say councillor, we no get degree, they collect fatter salary than university lecturers. You understand? But I will not invest money for our universities. We will produce the future of the country. We will hold the country tight. But we they spend money to buy SUVs for Niger Republic, 2 billion, or one accountant general, Fiwaka, with 190 billion. But we know if we give ASU of all the universities we did this country, 200 billion, maybe they go back away from strike. A shame on us and a shame on our government. All right, now, yes, now shame on us and a shame on our government. What be the difference between una when una be SUG Presido those days and the Presido of SUG now? What be the difference? Una they compromise then? No, we know we are ideologically sound and we are independent. You see, sometimes it depends on the people where they una back. Okay. That Ganifa with me, Falano, all of them, they back us up. Okay. But these days, the student leaders of today, yes, they are aspiring very fast to become like the oppressors. If they see governor where they drive big cars, Nance president want to drive. They some of them they even carry vanity plates. Nance, 1, Nance 2. Some of them get personal assistant 5, 10. Some of them they get houses. When you are aspiring to be like thieves, you are a baby thief. You understand? I know we discussed it before. Say baby thief, not there, but these ones are apprentice thieves. So what you they try to talk? They say they know what those Nance Presido. They know what to do there. I know they hide them. Because look at then go do election for Abuja for 2 weeks now. They no mention strike. During our time, this strike, if we enter Abuja until they resolve and we know they leave the place. So you all right carry now armor tank, come do anything, we know they move until we resolve the problem. Now, if the leaders of the students compromise, what about the students? What do you get to tell the students? No lie to you. Yes. The leaders of students, they come from students. Yes. During our own time, even if you want compromise, fear will catch you. How you enter campus? They go throw you out. Now the students and them go they pursue you. You don't feel compromise. I they tell people stories. Say when I go Abiola house for 1993, he give me 800,000 naira. Then a better money now. That time they sell 505, 9,000 Evolution and 9,000 naira. Maybe 30,000, something around that time. So 800,000 fit buy me like 10. I fit buy house for Lekki. Well, but I don't even look calm. Like, I can't even think of me collecting money. I tell Abiola, say, I didn't come here to collect money. They were giving 505 to student leaders during Babangida's time to bribe them so that they don't go fight for June 12. When they contact me, I tell the guy, say, you won't kill yourself. Today, you see they see 505 anymore.
It don't come out.
It not they exist anymore. So anybody will collect now to compromise, you are just ruining your future. You know, especially when you collect and compromise on the sweat and the progress of your colleagues. You can't escape the karma.
All right, make we cut and short. Like say you become president now.
Yes.
Wetin be the first thing wey you go do in terms of our educational system for Nigeria?
Now to declare state of emergency
On education.
on education. You know, because see, education is everything. And to invest in education, I believe in free education. You understand? So
Yes.
no matter what it takes, make that investment. The other day, I've been seeing one video from, I think it's Denmark. They pay students
To go school.
1,000 naira, $1,000
Dollars.
to go school every month. The students say when they come supposed graduate, they go refuse to graduate. You understand? But here, no students is even giving loans or grants. My proposal for university students, apart from safe education go free, you will still get 100,000 naira per semester as study grants, transportation to go, come home, so that you go face your studies. I go prefer to invest in students than to invest in senators we know they do anything for us. 40 million naira per month.
All right.
You know, not be say their own salary alone, but now that investment,
Sitting
because
allowance.
yes, that investment is so important. And another thing where I want to talk about education, with the important, I don't believe in basic universal education anymore, because education not dey basic anymore. If you want compete for the world, children wey dey for primary school for America, they already get laptop.
Not true.
Anybody wey dey use chalkboard, you are not part of the world. We have to upgrade. You know, use virtual education, use computers, use technology to drive education, because there are 20 million kids that are out of school. You understand? In Nigeria alone, this is official position of UNESCO as of last week. How do we get them out of the streets? So there are more kids out of school than there are kids that are in school.
In school.
You have to eliminate that, and that must be done not later than 2027, which is our first tenure in office.
All right. Now, it gets waiting some people they trace relating to this ASU strike, shutdown of school. You know, say Boko Haram, then say the meaning be say education is bad.
Yes.
The way you they look am now from waiting people they send, you think say they never begin to they succeed, because most schools in the north they don't shut them down.
Yes, now.
ASU don't they on strike for the past 6 months, now shut down with that.
We are going to 7 months.
Yes, we are going to 7 months. For Abuja, in the last 3 weeks, they begin to they shut down schools. Say Boko Haram.
They are now shutting down private schools.
Yes, don't infiltrate the schools.
Yes.
You think say this Boko Haram education is bad? This agenda of Boko Haram never begin to they succeed for inside the country?
I know they succeed for a long time now, but not the Boko Haram agenda alone. Now the agenda of the elite be that. So there's a reason
when you say elite, what do you
people
mean?
where they run the country.
Okay.
You see, people where they run.
They no like school.
If people they go school, it is difficult to they run country like this. If there are more educated people in Nigeria, we go school, we solid, we get jobs. We don't feel they get some of the leaders where we get. We don't go feel get president, we don't get certificate. And we don't feel find the way we say go done chopping. Why? Or people will be say we don't even know their origin. We won't be president. And when they ask question, nobody they answer.
But sure, this one of say president no get certificate. You go school. You even go school for Bodo Ibo. Are they vex? You go school. Columbia University, abi?
Yes.
Now we get a lot of lawyers, human rights. Even Kiyamo started well those days. But today, all of una wey go school. During the time when una know say one person he no get certificate. Why una no kick against am?
Who tell you say we will not kick against her?
You kick against am personally.
Where do you see me support? I keep telling you.
Where the court case? You sue anybody go court?
You see, for you to sue somebody,
yes,
where they run for election, you have to have local standard. My own are journalism. You understand where they take confront these people. Most half of the information we get about these politicians today, they were personally written by me. I don't write 5,000 articles, but the thing be say, when they reach to chop, Nigerian people go abandon their principles. Now those of us, Shebi we they do another election cycle now. Will they talk for here? People they follow lies even when they see truth. Now if you don't take careful, by the next election cycle, people go they tell you say make you apologize to Buhari. say he was better than
the person where they.
Because all the subsequent leaders of Nigeria have always been better than the next one. Because they go down. And they tell you these things to tell you, say, forget about the emotional lies people go tell you, say, me, say I go support anything we know they right. Forget them. Not be today now. At 3 decades, they do the same thing. You understand? Sometimes people go say, sure, they hear say they give her money. Because people no believe, say, somebody feed day for this country, we go see money, go talk, say, no, they follow chop. Some people go look and say, even bloggers,
yes,
where we say they take after, when they get inspiration from Sahara reporters, some of them get house for Banana Island. I don't get house for anywhere except my village. I don't, when they ask me to declare asset, when I declare my asset, I go my Kuda account at 465 naira 9 days. I put on people say not possible. Say sure end up billionaire. They just look me say they can't influence where I get from Nigeria. Anybody will get that kind of influence. He go to sit on top of an island.
All right. So, Shey, make I ask you before you sit down on top island because you know they live for Banana Island.
I'm not interested in living.
Now I want to tell you something where you fit don't hear and you fit never hear them. They said during the days where you be SUG Presido.
Yes.
Say now Shiwaju they sponsor you.
Shiwaju.
Say now he set up Sahara Reporter for you. Make you clarify that one.
Make I tell you. When I did university.
Yes.
In the 90s.
Yes.
If we go meeting.
Yes.
For pro-democracy meeting.
Yes.
Shiwaju was senator. I be student union president of Unilag.
Yes.
Shiwaju they sit down for back when we did for high table. I don't talk am many times. They no fit debunk am. I am on this island today.
Yes.
Shiwaju is no more than 2 kilometers from it. They go to hear us. Say make it come debunk am. Say so we talk am say in our days as student union leaders we're more precious than Nigerian senators because we did more valuable to the Nigerian democratic experiment than them. When them run away during the decade days, they go. We will stay for this country until I don't come up from Nigeria until 1999 when military don't go.
But
so,
never confuse me.
I know they confuse you. I just they build the thing. Shiwaju never even be. Shiwaju don't run come up from Nigeria.
Okay, waiting for sure.
Now they could now. The military pursue them because now then they do politics that time.
Okay.
So I don't even know as much apart from say all these meetings where they go where they see pro-democracy activists. Where they see now front way where they see.
Help us put mouth for the man.
Yes. So I set up Sahara Reporters 2006.
Okay.
I've already been in America for almost 7 years. The only time I've ever met Shiwaju in my life was on the street in 1999. Since if I fall on top of Tinubu today, nobody recognize me. Never been, I swear.
How you go say Tinubu no go recognize you? What you do everywhere?
When I mean say, he has never seen me one-on-one. I've never been to his house before. You see, make I tell you, if I get any shady things to do with them, they don't put the receipt out. Even people when they send them text message to greet them under this Buhari regime, Kayamo no they reveal. They go don't reveal. They carry me put for DSS detention.
Yes, we know.
4.5 months.
We know.
They look at all my accounts. They look everywhere. They did some. Even the judge where they handle my case when they give me bail condition 100 million, she they shout for inside court. So you mean say this Shey no get money to bail himself? She they shocked. Because, like I they say, some of us, we they comfortable with our poverty. That's the truth. And the second aspect, we say, like, where I don't mention before, we just think, say, anybody will progress for this country has to have a godfather. Because we don't have the virtues of hard work. Make I just let you know. They themselves, they know. See, they no get anything, any kind of control over me. One last thing where I go talk.
Yes.
The drug story where they take drag Shiwaju up and down. Let me first bring them out for 2008.
Okay.
The heroin drug. Let me go Chicago.
Go find
the documentation. This one way that they use now. I don't publish them since 2008, and it's the most powerful story of his history that is out there today. You know, I no see other ones there like Alpha Beta and all those kind of things, but that one is unimpeachable.
All right. Now,
so person where they control you, if you do that kind of thing to them.
Well, if you break up,
no,
is it possible?
Yes,
to break up.
But person will not be in the relationship, not if break up with person. We know the relationship.
So you mean say you never ever meet them or do anything one on one? He never like you say, my son, come, let me bless you.
Enough you call me his son.
Why?
Because I be very independent person. I know if he be his son. I know they be son of corrupt people.
So wait till they talk now. That word, that language he had, you mean saying corrupt? Now you they try to talk.
Oh yes, I don't talk for public now. We did for Nigeria. I don't write.
So if I call him now, call and sit down now, you go. You know, say an elderly man.
Yes.
You go feel looking for face. Say, Baba, you are corrupt.
Oh yes, there's no Nigerian leader where we be thief. We are not fit tell a person. The challenge be say you know fit get the guts to go call him.
Say me, I no go fit get the guts. As I they talk, me and you they talk now. I don't call him be that.
Yes,
I ain't don't hear like
call him.
You know,
and I know say if you call him,
yes,
you know say na me dey here. You no go show.
Why? He dey fear you?
Because he
don't let me quote you. Say Showore say Ashiwaju, aka Jagaban, they fear him.
You know fit look me in the face. Defend anything.
But now you talk now say una never meet. How you can't take no say no go feel look in the face if you never meet am before?
Nah expression.
Now you dey express. You don't assume.
Not be assumption. I don't meet all these people before.
Because it go happen. No, I can't. Yes.
They go see me like this. Nah, they go take off. Yes. And they tell you not be say I they take brag. But they know say I know they among the people where they feed off of their palm. And when it comes to speaking truth to power,
yes.
See, nobody where I know feel looking face. If I get the facts, I go look. I go talk. Say now who you be that.
All right.
Now academy go detention. When I reach detention, they come meet me for inside detention station. Where if you want make you release, you may go apologize to Buhari. I say make
you did here.
Make it shove the apology for inside where sunshine not the reach.
All right. Now, from how you they talk between the issues of say you never see Ashiwaju and the way they talk, it be like say you they brag, you they talk with confidence.
That confidence now. If you don't do something negative, you go take confident to come out and
all right now that's your confidence. You go tell me now.
Yes.
You set up Sahara Reporters. Now you do them by yourself. You go Unilag. From Unilag they expel you. You come back to Unilag. Come finish Abi.
Yes.
Then you can't go Columbia University.
Yes.
Go do your masters.
Yes.
For where you see money, where you don't work before.
I travel go America.
Yes.
I just buy tickets.
Yes.
I even borrow money from family members.
Yes.
I buy tickets. Enter America. I begin struggle like every other person. At the time, I did work for security guard.
Yes.
You know, after a while, I did work for the True newspaper. You know the story in America. At the time, I did work 2 jobs before I can't go school. When I go school, my fortune proof, I get job. I work with Catholic Charity. All these things are on there.
I know.
Then from there, from there, I can't set up Sahara Reporters. I set up Sahara Reporters with laptop where I buy for $600.
Yes.
That's how I started Sahara Reporters.
Okay.
I don't know say it go blow.
Okay.
You understand? I just put, content there. Before I know it don't blow. And I can't get support. Grants. These ones are available. You can Google it. First, Ford Foundation support me. Then another foundation support me. Then I come expand that to include Sahara TV. Come register at Sahara Media Group. Now, from the scratch, now I build Sahara Reporters.
From the petty jobs what you do for America.
Petty jobs, $600 laptop. Now it takes that.
So how long you work for America?
I was in America for 20 years.
20 years?
Exactly.
Now you gather those money?
Yes, now.
So in future now, somebody if you come outside and say, I gave Omoyele Showore 50 million to set up. Somebody in future, if they come back, make I remind you, say, you talk, say nobody support you. Now you hard earn money.
Make I explain something to you.
All right.
America not be Jankara market. If $50 million enter America through somebody's hand, the FBI go they follow you like flies.
The way they follow hush puppy.
Exactly. Even if 50,000, if you get 50,000 for your account, if you explain now, your bank manager go see me who comes to you. You understand? You can't just. America is not Nigeria. I'm not saying corruption no deal. Because all these people they move money around, no doubt about it. And that make me they tell you say some of the reasons why I see people when I talk people no feel believe and say go look and say if Nami gets Sahara Reporter, the thing we have done they can't do. The money we have for don't make. Like I said, say bloggers when we say they just they copy Sahara Reporters stories they republish. They get houses for Banana Republic, Banana Island. Bloggers so. We come after because now 2006 now I start Sahara Reporters. But this now you feel brag if you don't get
skeleton for your cupboard.
And that the thing where they tell you say if to say people like me no go for detention now say 2019 and DSS no hold me. They even charge me for money laundering. They say I go Dubai, go.
Now wait till I be one ask you.
They say I go Dubai, go collect money. When they bring all the documents, I tell them, say I never entered Dubai before. They remove the charges. Come now, the only charges will remain now. Now they say I won't overthrow the government. The other time they say there was another charge, say I insult Buhari.
Okay.
Now if I don't come tell them, say now cyber stock can be that now. It has a provision in it. And the person where you cyber stock must come to court to come and explain how they stock out. They come to us in the bring Buhari, they come on that charge too. Now only one charge remain. As I did now, that charge still they are saying, but judge no be hear the matter.
All right, so you they tell me now, say as Nigeria big like this, you know, get anybody where they support you or saying, I don't want to use the word Godfather. Somebody where does like elite where they support, say, this Showere man I like in confidence. You know, get any elite.
No, the thing we did there, say in 2019 when I run for office.
Yes.
I open GoFundMe.
Okay.
For the election, people they contribute openly. So people did like that. There are people in the diaspora where they contribute to my my campaign. Right. So I know people say somebody has never assisted me before. But not be
Nigeria people.
Some people they inside Nigeria because we also have a Zenith bank account.
Okay.
Where people they donate for the campaign. We raised over 200 million naira. I raised 200 million naira in 2019 election. Over 200, almost 200 million naira.
And you use and do campaign?
Yes. I went to all the states of the federation. I went to 35 states. I don't get private jet and drive. Some places we go fly. From there, we go Niger Delta, enter boat, go campaign for. When we finish, I was the only candidate we come break down the accounts of my.
How you spend them?
How do I spend them? I publish it. It's the first in the history of the country. So all this transparency where people they talk about. I know if somebody accuse me that when they know some of people don't know, they go say, go and explain how you spend your account, your campaign. We go show them. We did there. It did for Google, it did for YouTube, it everywhere. Because that is one of the things that is wrong with Nigeria. Is the opaque way we do business. Is the lack of transparency in the. If, for instance, as I did here, I'll be president of Nigeria tomorrow.
Yes.
NNPC, accounts will be online. You can Google it.
Any transparent.
Any contract where there will be a contract.nigeria.ng where if you go. Look at the person where they implement the contract, whether the company did legitimate or not. I will make available and public anybody will register for the Corporate Affairs Commission, so that all these people where they hide under 9-year-old children to take do directors. Now go fish them out. If all these transparent things are done, you start reducing corruption seriously. Because the moment people don't steal money to collect them back now,
it's hard because they say corruption is fighting back.
Yes. And now that time where you go see people will go get rapper, come they dance for court, say, and they are persecuting our children or our son and all those kind of things.
But your mother do them too. Your mother cry. I read them.
My mother.
Your mother say, "Efi omo mi sile o."
My mother cried over my persecution,
not
be over corruption. So, and every mother can cry like that.
Okay.
You understand? No, it's not only my mother. There were protests all over the world. U.S. senators.
Yes.
Also protested over my detention.
Okay.
Doesn't mean that I have business to do with them. It's a function of human right, but not be to protest. If I do corruption, they know if they protest on my behalf, and they have looked at the records and said, "These guys."
No, you never enter government before now, so
no. Even if I did government, then the thing where they tell you, not the only people in the government they corrupt for this country.
Now we they talk of money laundering, they use some civil people.
Exactly. So if you can be corrupt without being in government, we have seen so many people we know they're in government where we say the money where they pass through them, their hand, big pass some
they want
for government. So that will not be say, but if you are transparent, if you know they corrupt, whether you are in government or
you are not,
because we have had people in government in the past we live life of transparency and modesty. Look at people like Balarabe Musa. When I go in house, he don't die now. For 2019, the man no get key for a gate. You go enter in bedroom, knock and say, Alaji, I did here. And he was former governor. There is no governor today we get house when even the wall will get bulletproof.
Not true.
They don't steal. They don't even know. But at the end, what they don't understand is that if you're involved in a rat race, even if you win, you remain a rat.
A rat. All right. Thank you for that one. And we get a very few time to round off now. But make I ask you this one. For 2019, you contested.
Yes, sir.
You contested.
I did.
And 2023 again, you done the contest. You be the flag bearer for your political party.
Yes.
You think say Nigerians accept you and you go win as president come 2023?
I did hope.
Okay.
You know, I don't go say pray.
Yes.
Because I don't want to go the religious route.
Yeah.
That's part of our problem. See, eyes go open and sense will flow.
All right.
To elect me.
Yes.
Because even myself, I didn't wonder how hard, I don't begin work for my mind for Nigeria where, you know how it be say you did so much in a hurry for something to work. You don't already they envisage dual carriage where we go from Lagos to Abuja. They look at trains where if you enter, cargo trains, from Lagos to Aba, Port Harcourt. They look at how you go solve ASU strike. When we say ASU no go there, they already think about how our children are going to talk about up NEPA again in the next 4 years because they did it in Egypt. And they think about how we get healthcare. When we say we feel go hospital for our own country or salaries where we see people feel live on what we call living wage. Because I know all these things they're possible, and it's for two reasons. I know mentally, intellectually, say the capacity they there, and the thing we say. They ask our citizens, if you see good thing, why would you continue to go for the wrong thing all the time?
All right. Because but make you help me answer. You think say Nigerians accept you?
Now they tell, say, I've not been anywhere where people reject me.
I go remind you.
Including when I enter prison. I
go remind you.
Okay.
You remember for NSAS?
Yes.
When you show face, boys, they pursue you. Say no, we don't want. Yeah. Why you think say boys do like that? He did for video.
I did for NSAS.
Yes.
They start propaganda against me.
Okay.
For online. Led by Reno Omokri. Say now this same lie says Nashore bring Buhari. And that me I won't hijack NSAS. And I was the one who started NSAS in Abuja. I was the first person who carry NSAS protest go police headquarters. I was the first person who invite Aisha, say may we join us. Adeoju, say may we go NSAS. Now me first put out the tweet where I invite people to join NSAS. But they don't discover, say, that NSAS was not going to be NSAS. That it was a conundrum. People, they boil. And they just
when you say conundrum, what do you mean? No confuse us here.
Yes,
market women, they here.
say NSAS, now just cover. Say now vex with people, they vex against government and be NSAS.
Okay.
And that thing could lead to a revolution in the country. So they begin to see who
they behind
control and who no fit control. So they preferred make the thing they control that it go end. That's why you see police begin look for celebrities where they get hold meeting with, at the time they go hold meeting with Naira Marley.
Then go hold meeting with Davido.
But not be all those ones. Now streets they control NSAS. So that was what happened. But when they came to me at that place, I knew what it was. I've been through those kind of manipulation processes. I stood my ground. Before I come up from there, go look for the video. They apologize to me. And I continued after that. In fact, when they don't shoot for the lake, everybody don't run away. Now me still carry myself go airport, go do the last graffiti on NSAS for Abuja and me do a National Assembly. Now we still collect all the people who still did detention out of NSAS out with the help of Falano and other lawyers. Some of them still dey till today. When everybody don't come up from that market, we still dey.
All right.
Yes.
As you still dey,
yes.
I know say you still dey. Make I just ask you this one. You do NSAS well, fine.
Yes.
And you witness NSAS, fine.
Yes.
That time where the shooting day, why you know they there?
The time when they shoot.
Yeah, because we hear say then the celebrity, then the BB people don't get information, they run, then leave the ordinary people.
They shoot.
Where you dey?
They shoot for Lagos.
Okay.
My NSAS was in Abuja.
In Abuja.
I was restricted to Abuja by a judge for 3 years.
Okay.
So I couldn't have left Lagos. The restriction was just lifted in March or so. So a judge restricted me to Abuja. If I was free,
before they there,
our guys did there now.
And you think say if they see you then they for no shoot?
Whether they shoot or not does not matter. After NSAS they shoot me now for Abuja.
Yes, I know.
So
I know.
They shot me after NSAS now.
I see when talk self they try to attack you.
When I go,
so those talk they come on their own. Being set up.
Now government bring them. That's why even that NSAS thing where I believe say DSS get hand for them. Yeah, say now they just want to pursue me so that I go this scared not to pass, so that the leadership of NSAS no go fit turn to some of us where they know say they no fit negotiate with. Because that thing was going out of control. Even Buhari talk and say, I heard that these young people want to come and drive me from Aso Rock. So it was self-preservation. That's why they went and shot at young people at Lekki Toge. It's like, this thing don't go out of control. But the mistake we make, if to say the right people they in charge of NSAS. Now the day after October 20, now they for here. Maybe this conversation what would they do now? For the difference. All
right. When they come back, make we just take one business. When we come back, I want carry you go one place where you claim say now you be the architect of the thing. It dey happen now. But no. When we do business, come back. That is if business day. But if business no, they congratulate you. I no think say business day. All right. Moyele Showore. Now, it gets the talk where they go around. Yes. And it be like say now you boldly hit your chest.
Yes.
You say you help Peter Obi to become presidential candidate of Labour Party. How? Yes. Why you leave your own party? No. Why you no come inside your party?
Yesterday where I talk.
All right.
Yeah. So make I explain to you.
Okay.
Peter Obi there for PDP.
Okay.
2 weeks before
primaries,
they can't resign from PDP, enter Labour Party. Labour Party there for court over leadership crisis.
Yes.
They say Peter Obi was not validly elected. They don't go Federal High Court. Our own party was also hijacked. We are the Court of Appeal. We can't win judgment on the 2nd of June.
I bet help us talk well.
Yes, we can't win
this
our
one.
Own
They
judgment.
very important.
We can't win our judgment on the 2nd of June.
Yes.
But it is not a published judgment because it takes the Court of Appeal time to publish the judgment.
Okay.
Falanon, our lawyer. Now also Falanon be the lawyer to the Labour Party.
Okay.
Where they fight against the people where they against Peter Obi. Now if Falanon can come and say that your judgment is very clear. It says that the court has no right to intervene in the internal affairs of the Labour Party. Can I get a copy of the judgment for night? He didn't know that we're in possession of a certified true copy of the judgment. We send that to him that night. He file and he go take him argue in front of the judge. Say, Oga, Shey, you don't see now. There's a new judgment from the Court of Appeal that says that you have no right to be litigating this Peter Obi matter. They won. That was how Peter Obi case ended over his candidacy in the Labour Party.
Okay.
The reason I talk and be say, somebody they talk say, oh, you did jealous of Peter Obi. And I talk and say, if I don't want to jealous, not to hide the document now. But I gave out the document that night. Falano talk and yesterday, Falano did there. They talk and say, and he won. That was why the controversy, the thing was very powerful. It went viral. It is 24 hours after I said it. Peter Obi gets campaign committee. They have not denied it. And I talk and say, not be the first time that way I go help Peter Obi.
Okay, you don't help him. Now you say you get this natural likeness for him.
No, I have natural likeness for justice.
Okay.
When Obasanjo just sent Andy Uba to Anambra to flush out Peter Obi, Andy Uba won election. They were litigating also in court at that time. They go bribe judges for Dubai. They wanted to give a judgment. Andy Uba had been governor of Anambra for 14 days. We leak their plan. They no fit give the judgment. That was how Peter Obi was able to complete his
Wait, you mean say Andy Uba truly won that election?
Now Obasanjo them organized the election. You know what they were doing.
Him behind like chairman.
you know the story now. So that was how Peter Obi was able to complete his tenure, because we leaked the content of a judgment that would have kept Andy Uba as governor of Anambra State. As a result, Andy Uba is the governor of any Nigerian state that's lived in office for the shortest period.
14 days.
14 days. So that's the second time. And I've met Obi also once in front of Chinua Achebe in Rhode Island when the Chinua Achebe colloqued. He talk for public, they say, these are the guys that saved me from.
All right. He recognized you.
Of course. They recognize, but the team is say, me, I know they follow them waka.
All right.
Even to 2018, when he be deputy to Atiku, he called me and say, can you support us? Say, Peter Obi, you know now, say, light and darkness.
Who be light now?
Let the
sleeping dog.
Yes. No, but make editor. I say how I go follow article in my life when we say all the exposés wey dey about his corruption. Sahara put am. How do I defend it? That I'm now working with you people when I know wetin I do for PTDF. How I take the money they buy the houses or the Siemens crisis. You know, say part of the problem with Nigeria get we say as citizens we get problem of institutional memory. We know they remember things way past 2 days. So otherwise, some of these people, if you say we get memory,
but
people for no.
But as you they get document of all these things, why you know they work with EFCC? You talk about Halliburton, you talk about different people. Why the thing then they sweep them under? Because me personally, I know they happy. We go know genuine fact and say something really happened. At the end of the day, we no go see justice. Why una they leave and make it go like that?
If after you have done your job as a journalist,
yes.
After we come off from here now, can you force EFCC to do anything? But even at that, go and Google how many cases we EFCC don't do where they use our reporters document to take prosecute people.
So then they come to you.
When they provide document, they go download them.
Okay, you yes, they provide them on your report.
They go and certify it. They go talk to Nasara reporters. How many documents were they? You know, as of yesterday, me I know they work for Sahara reporters. They do this election. When President Buhari say he won't go Qatar, Qatar people say they don't want to see him. When the story come out for Sahara, nobody they deny him. Today they don't admit say the Emir of Qatar say when they choose another date. They don't accept it. They put the date for 2023. But when Sahara reporters write down, they will say somebody still call me journalist say nah that's sensational. So I don't work there, but what is sensational is saying that your president is rejected. Maybe they don't see through the mass say that fake now.
All right, now wetin be the relationship? I don't know as I want ask now. Wetin be the relationship between Nigeria and Niger Republic, or wetin be the relationship between President Buhari and Niger Republic president?
You know, say most of Nigerian leaders not be Nigerians.
Okay.
You know that, right? Even Buhari and APC, they carry article go courts when they get
from Cameroon.
Cameroon. People they talk say Buhari self now from Niger now, but they are a Pan-Africanist. Anybody will come from Africa.
Now African man.
Yes. So now where their blood they now they swing now.
Yeah, but I look the picture, two of them when they stand, the president of Niger and the president of Nigeria. They resemble,
if possible,
by color. All right. Any which way, I should be like this. Now, your party, you know, say Peter Obi in no get structure.
Yes.
And since when you they talk, they watch you say you they drive to so state, so state. He can't be like say now only you. This your party, you get structure.
If I don't guess how you could go state, any state, arrive, somebody go receive you, put you for hotel without structure.
If you get friends.
Well, there are structures too. Exactly. You know,
all right, so your party
let me tell you.
Yes.
It's also our party that plan revolution now.
Yes, we know.
Any structure if you risk their life in front of armor tank, what is politics? And we had revolution now happening in about 25 states, even though I was arrested. So we've been telling people, say, the thing where they call structure for the good for nothing party, not be structure, that one a transactional structure. Money for ground, back for ground, money for hand, back for ground, what they call a rubber more.
All right.
Yes. So our own structure is organic.
Organic structure.
They come from people who believe in us, who believe in our ideology, who believe in our ideas, and how to make the country a better place. And those kind of structures, you can't buy them. You understand? That is why there's a strong diaspora connect to us as well. Because any structure we know go collect rapper and 10,000. Most one have the original. And that's what we were saying. The people where they talk say, the way they mock us for 2019, say we need structure. Now them now come they talk say, now the people be the structure. Now people be structure.
Yes, truly.
Yes. The moment you have the people with you, your structure is the best.
All right. Some political party they brag say they go get like 50 million votes. Like how many million votes you think say?
I know they follow anybody brag because PDP talk am for 2014, say they go spend 60 years for power.
For power.
All of them now, they are falling apart. Anybody feel open your mouth, wow, make just go talk. The thing is, keep talking to the people. Let them believe you, let them accept you. The votes will come from there.
Right.
But of course, there are questions of manipulation of votes. That is why we need the vanguard or the people to also be at alert. We will not pretend say if you win election for Nigeria, may they turn them around. Or they feel carry for Imo State person we get for not being the governor. So we have to be also concerned about all those things and be on the lookout. But the thing where I want to talk, which is important, say the ultimate goal, the revolution, before this country go fit change. But now then go push the bicycle reach there.
Reach the place where they go pack them.
Yes.
All right. Finally, you think say if your party do alliance on a go places with Labour Party, because the way we Labour, say you they do revolution now.
Yes.
Now they see how obedient people they do their own on the street. The thing does come my mind. I say if una can't join together, you not think so because you get fans. So for Twitter now they see people where they support. Some people don't insult me now say they support Buhari. You don't understand? But I don't do my job as a journalist. Yes. You don't understand? No, because of some of the questions we I ask you. Some people now don't they attack me. No, but basically, I feel say you they do revolution now. And obedient family, them don't do all over the street, they do their thing on their own. I feel say if we now come together, instead of all this segregation, everybody doing own together, we now go they lose vote too.
No, what the thing where they say, if you want to do revolution, make you put counter-revolutionary as your driver. It's just like make you buy brand new car with tires.
So which one be counter-revolutionary?
Now I had to break down. It's just like me buy brand new car. Come one country, I can't give driver. We be say now only reverse gear. Now it's
you get.
You understand? The thing we make us not they work with some of these people. We say the place where they come from, not be the same place where they come from.
Okay.
Any candidate for this country, where Babangida hold a hand, I know if you work with them. Any candidate where Obasanjo
hold a hand,
they waka Kurukere, I know if you work with them because now the Nigerian Ruiners FC be that the football club win. So that if you come on a revolutionary ideological basis, we they tally with our own, we go follow you. But the biggest coalition with Nigeria figure Nigerian people.
Okay,
you understand? Not be all these people they impose candidates on you. Come they talk say when we talk about revolution, people they make fun of us now. Now they are saying that they're also revolutionary, but your Pekin talk something for the public announcement which they take promotion show.
Yeah.
They say if it not be you, na counterfeit.
Yes, any other one is a counterfeit.
Yes, we cannot afford to go for the counterfeit. Yeah, man.
All right. Any which way, as it be like this, I won't make you tell Nigerians part of your manifesto in case and by the grace of God, if you become the president of this country, 2023, which I believe, say you believe, waiting be those manifesto where be say you get for grant where you want to move this country forward.
For 2019, we call them Spicer Hit.
Okay.
Which start with security.
Yes.
Power, infrastructure.
Yes.
Fighting corruption.
Yes.
Building an economic system model that's all inclusive.
Yes.
And restructuring.
Yes.
Health, education.
Yeah.
Agriculture, tourism that is sitting on technology and sustainability. Correct. The moment you get all these things right, as one indivisible body of activities and action interacting together. It's kind of Nigeria where you go see when you see me next. Yourself will come the
I got a juba. I got a cut cap for you.
Paste money for my face. Say I miss you and you talk this thing.
All right. Okay. All right. In a nutshell, we go leave you, make you go because you don't try now 2.5 hours. Me and you don't sit down for this hot seat. They tell you, and a lot of people, be like say we don't do 2.5 hours.
Exactly now.
Yes. All right. And if we say make you rate the government from 2015 till now over 100, how many percent you go give them?
Oh my God! Is there anything that is less than 1%?
1%.
You don't even reach 1%. This government no get rating. Say some things they when say if you rate now, God self go verse for you.
All right, we say you rate the previous government before this one over 100. How many percent you go rate them?
Nah, the same way. Me, I never see any government for Nigeria where I feel rates.
Okay.
Because I don't see any one of them deliver.
All right.
The good is what Nigerians deserve.
Okay.
And the reason why I even go verse for that government we talk about is the man get opportunity and he get chance and he dey lucky.
Okay.
Throughout his tenure, they sell oil for almost $140 per barrel. If you want to do good, there was plenty of opportunity to do good.
All right.
But he don't do well.
All right.
Now the same people we follow, they don't do well. But people before him, they don't do well. So I'm not a rating agency, but we go start to the rate when they rate us. Yes.
All right. Anyway, as it be like this, now the voice of Omoyele Showore, now you hear so, and he don't talk well a lot of things where he talk, and you know, say election they come. You see. All this in our party say we know they can't know their logo, but I go ask you that one. Make we just take this small business. When we come back, we close. 5.1 was Zobia FM. Now still there. We go soon. They go now because show yourself. We don't hold on for here for like 2.5 hours. But make I read some people for Twitter and hashtag 2023 election waka. Now you could join your message put to take send. And we go see them for here. All right, somebody say Royal Kitchen and so. He said Peter Obi called Showore for them to work together against Atiku. Showore response to him was light and darkness can never mix. Another person, Hinkule, he says Showore is the leader of the opposition against the Buhari regime. All other candidates and parties had and have no balls to face the Katsina fascist. All right, this one say Showore cannot join a candidate with record of looting, embezzlement, and human rights abuses. All right, I don't know who be that candidate, but I no know. But make I just read some other people. Blackie, he say continue to be there for us. Trust me, Nigerians are waking up more and more by the day. You are doing well. You have awoken us live and direct. I did for you. One vote from me, sure die. 2019, I voted you, and I have no regret till tomorrow. Now, some of your people there, many people from abroad, this one say, please invite more of inspiring people as this. The man all the way from UK, he said, thank you so much for this enlightening interview. This is really educative, and thank you so much. Mr. Expensive and Mr. Showore, we are grateful. Thank you. I am in the UK, but very impressed. He's saying like the interview. All right, Showore, make I ask you. Yes, you get a cellmate too. That time when they carry you don't go sell tire. And cell don't be like your house, because if they calculate when you don't sleep for house and when you don't sleep for cell. When you don't sleep for cell, don't plenty pass when you don't sleep for house. So.
House self not be sell.
All right. Now you be meet Dasuki.
Yes.
Where be say your Sahara reporters don't knock am well. The day where you see him for sell, where two of them come be sell meat. How far? How he take look you and how you take look am? Una continue to attack una self, abi una turn to friends.
No, we not be cellmates.
Okay.
Like, he was just that one day.
Now be the same cell.
You know say him be VIP.
Oh, VIP dey there.
They are level day everywhere.
Abeg, teach us more because we go dey happy. Nigerians, they don't carry and go sell. Abeg, so whether this one wey you talk na new one o.
VIP day. You say some of people they sell, wey be say they go dey born for sale.
Then they born.
Even Boko Haram commanders, they bring their wife.
Jesus.
Yes, now, so
you know this the way you talk. You see am korokoro. Why you never publish am?
I don't talk am now.
Well, then they bring their wife.
Yes.
Come sell.
Yes.
The Boko Haram commander go call cut cable.
They will bring the children, come meet them, see them, give them names.
In
fact, one Boko Haram commander born with one girl. He tell them, say no one that get me. They tell him, mama, may they bring another one.
Jesus.
He divorced for inside there. Carry another wife. This one I don't talk am for public before and they no fit deny.
Wait,
I did the same floor with 7 Boko Haram commanders for cell, but we know they inside the same cell.
Then they give them VIP treatment.
They get cable
TV.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Now when I see them say they get cable, myself I go protest, me like give me cable.
They can't give you cable.
They give me cable. They give me cable.
No, abeg, tell me more about this VIP treatment. No, because Nigeria, when we hear say person don't go Kuje Presido, don't go Kiri, we go dey happy. We don't know say abeg.
Most of the big men where they put for prison, they don't sleep for prison. That is why when they go break Kuje prison, all the VIPs were safe. You just say they see them,
they for shoot
them now.
Or kidnap them.
Like Dariye was living at General Hospital for Garki throughout in a 5-bedroom apartment. He never stayed one.
I better repeat this one again.
They talk and say na Shorete. You say Dariye no day for prison until he's released. Say na Garki Hospital is 5-bedroom house owned by the Catholic Church. Now they stay for most of it. He claims say they sick. They do business, women. People come to visit him for there. Not be say this one are open secret. You understand? Dasuki a VIP cell in there.
But him dead there. Not only Dariye no day for sale.
Dasuki they go gym.
If they come out for prison, they go gym.
He they even walk for streets around.
For which area? Why people no see him?
No, na so drive. Na.
Oh. Wait. When
DSS they in front of the presidential villa. So the road.
Yes, okay. There where they put barricade.
Yes.
That
go work out, do exercise for there. Myself, I get at the point they give me.
You can't become VIP
every time I go protest
for DSS.
Yes, now so they give me cable too. So when I meet Dasuki, I just ask for her. Say where is this Dasuki cell? So one day they come say make I come. Say me come watch ball. That time I never get cable. Now I discover say Dasuki na Arsenal fan. You know. In fact, the first thing where I tell him, I say this is the reason why you like suffer.
Because Arsenal go start with initial gara. Yes. At the end.
But the first thing he say, essential, look at what you did to me. Say now you send me all these things. When I said, calm down. Wanna think about what I do
to us.
You know, and he's a in containers, a very gentle person. You know, if you see Dasuki, all those things where they say they do, you know, if you believe, say
he do them.
You know, everybody, you know, calm down. Where I just did there. In fact, now part of my struggle. Now the day where they release me, now they release them. Okay, you can't fight for them again. Yes, now I sent message to my wife say, because for me, like I said, justice is, you know, prime. It's what is most important. This guy has been in detention for 5 years. His trial has been stopped. He doesn't even go to court anymore. They can't call and say me go.
You go say I beg him no go.
He say no, say he no fit get justice, and they were saying that he would die there. So so we kept meeting on Sundays to watch ball. You know. Then after a while, we started. You know, I started asking him all those questions, and some of the things I know now, will make me even day more hardened against all these politicians. Some of them now exchange where we get because. He has all the enthusiasts for hand. He go tell you if you give him the guy they like computer, he dey like Google. If you tell him name of one politician,
yes, he go tell you.
He just download say, and he go tell you say, look, when they enter government are to make country good, but government for Nigeria they different. The one with the outside different from wetin they go on the outside. But I don't want to quote him as saying anything because he may not be in a position to rebook. I mean to debunk. And I want to be fair to him. But we kind of gelled, and even when he got out of detention, we talked a few times. But I never saw him again. After the detention. And I heard that he's out of town now for medicals. Yeah. So now the kind of people I meet many people, but now those Boko Haram commanders, now it shock me pass.
It shock me as you tell me now.
They get baba. They get baba where they come cut their hair. Now me say the prison they know they suffer there at all. And they go tell you say them, you know, say they use them as assets to trap the other Boko Haram people where they out there. Now lie. That's why I believe when people they talk and say government get hand for this Boko Haram thing, I believe, and the kind of enjoyment where those guys enjoy. I know 7 commanders where we did the same. Now you talk and say government get hand. Now person say me you talk about now you talk about yourself. Because we go write you for another Sahara reporter say now you talk. Now me talk say I don't talk and I repeat and say this Boko Haram thing not be ordinary thing. Yes. So then they use and make money because when you start this one and this one where I see maybe Koro I see where we say Boko Haram commander go you know say they just enjoy it fresh. Now I come pass the place. Now I see, when I get cable, say get cable. You know, when I get cable, say get cable. I go downstairs. Say, if not give
me cable.
I can't small good news out.
Yeah.
Say Boko Haram commanders. If you Google and you go say that they use cable. They come meet me. Say why small good news out?
They gonna challenge you.
They gonna challenge me. I said not be lying now. You know, I said I don't day here. They see them. They say make I know the small good news come up from here. After a while, now they come one day say, hey, yourself, as you know, they go anywhere anytime soon.
No, we'll give you cable. But now when you did there and you be threat to them, your life no day at danger point because
is there any time that my life is not a danger?
No, wait here they ask because when they see say you be threat, you want to do small good news out, they expose them. They no go they comfortable with you. So you they chop their food.
No, I dey supply my own food.
Okay, you know they chop.
I know that now every day I go and collect food.
For where?
No, they bring food to me, family.
Okay, family must bring food for you.
I don't chop their food throughout my stay.
They no give you injection?
No, I don't take injection.
You no sick?
I was sick. They took me to the hospital, but now me go come. I go tell them say my doctor must come. Then they will
now because you get money to get doctor, what a poor man will not get doctor?
No, I get. You know, a lot of people were sympathetic to us. Maybe they were volunteer doctors. Now, fella not defend me. Fella has never collected the dime from me. If you go fella no chambers,
yes,
today say they go charge you now. They are big lawyers.
Yes,
he's a senior advocate
of Nigeria.
Fella has been defending me since 1992. That's how I was able to graduate from the University of Lagos. So, lawyers, doctors volunteered. No one young doctor was coming. The only thing is that they must be in the room with him.
With him,
yes. So you go see, go carry my blood, go test. But I go tell us as they carry my blood, go test. This make you they change laboratory. May they no go.
May they no go. What of the water where they take bath for there?
Their own water.
So that water no they dangerous.
Look, when you get to that point, you do elimination series. The things will fit kill you quick and the ones will fit delay. You just manage to go. because if they really want to get you,
yes, it's
they can
easy.
poison the air that you are even breathing here. You know, it's just a matter of.
But your life they their hand that time. Now anything we do you.
Anything we do me, they are also responsible for it also now. So, you know, there is no absolute power like that too, because people can be held accountable for some of these things, and they know that they won't be in power forever. You know, they can be held accountable for.
All right.
But anybody where they do the kind of work, what would they do? Now death work will they do?
Now death work. Yes. This our work, eh?
Yes.
This our work, eh?
Any work where they do, where they expose government or they touch on things will make them uncomfortable. Just say goodbye.
No, but Shey, you know, say this our work na passion. If you no get passion, you know if you do. If you say money no dey this job, this job they do money no dey. That's why Shey no get money. Shebi we hear in story as they tell us. Money no dey na passion. Passion.
But at the same time, it's also a dangerous job.
Very dangerous. Now they tell you.
You see that Al Jazeera journalist woman, you just shoot her Israel. You know, people get killed. Even in this country, they see that Yata boy just disappeared from the surface.
So
nobody has heard from him since that time. So, but if man no live for, if man no die for something, his life is not worth living. If you are not able to choose a passion or a cause to die for, But me, I notice I feel reach 51 years old.
But you don't reach.
Yes.
They come.
Because by the time I come up from Unilag,
my father died at the age of 51.
Yes. By the time they come up from Unilag, the kind enemies where I don't make. Lecturers or courts or police officers. So when I come start as reporters, now equal opportunity offender. Nobody where I don't offend. Even when DSS people, right, when they arrest me, that's how reporter story. The first they question me about. Where did you get?
Where your source?
Yes.
Where your source? Now so they ask.
Why
I go tell you my source? Now my work I do.
How did you know that the president went to hospital? Who told you that he's flying to this thing? We want to know all those people. They collect my phone, carry my phone, go Saudi Arabia.
Yes. Leave Nigeria not even get the machine where they take your phone.
iPhone is difficult to break into.
Yes. Kai, we dey backward though. So now Saudi Arabia now. That's why they go medical checkup for abroad.
Even CIA, FBI to break into iPhone not be small thing. Except Apple collaborate with them.
Shey we dey come back. Me and Shey we don't do 3 hours of exclusive interview. I tell you, and we never even reach anywhere. People they appreciate all over the world. This person say this interview is a bomb. Now so in talk. All right, this one's expensive. Good afternoon. You are working hard for this country. Please invite Peter Obi for your show. There are 2 radio stations in Nigeria, Wazobia FM and others. Chidi, all the way. All right, and as a be like this, yes, Shore. Basically, yes, you don't go detention, you don't go DSS, you don't go prison. You know they do you like anything. Even the people where they carry you go prison, by now they don't tire for you. You understand? And now so they do for self. You know, anybody where they talk for inside government, it be like say he must know prison. He must know prison. But now, he get somebody where talk because of the marginalization of the Eastern people, according by them. Nnamdi Kanu emerge. You know, so before now, Ojukwu be emerge. After that, blah 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 blah, then settle one Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu can't emerge. When Igbo people say then they marginalize them, no government development for their area and so on and so forth. Everybody during election, they do already do geopolitical zone numbers. They plenty pass numbers, all those kind of things, so that election go there where they want to make it there according by. As alleged, make I use that grammar.
Yes.
Now, Nnamdi Kanu emerge before you know, within the organization will be IPOB. Before them, Masob been there.
Yes.
But the emergence of Nnamdi Kanu, be like say crowd can they follow and well. Before you know, then declare them terrorists. Now you come out for detention. You still can't they go the court case of Nnamdi Kanu. Why you decide? Because him they say make them leave them, make them go. Since they don't marginalize them, they know they do anything for them, even the appointment and everything, and it can't be very glaring. So why you can't they attend the court case? Is it that you are in support of Nnamdi Kanu to make them give him Biafra, or how? I don't understand.
You know, say before they arrest me,
Yes.
I meet Nnamdi Kanu for New York City,
Okay.
where we discuss.
Yes.
And I may seek to meet him.
Okay.
Say, what is it that you really want? Where the guy tell me say, justice.
Justice.
Yes.
What kind of justice?
You know, social, economic, political justice. All this justice have been denied his people.
Okay.
And I said to him, why don't we do a revolution?
Together.
Yes. So because not justice myself they look for. Sheds they look for justice. Everybody that has been marginalized in Nigeria is looking for justice. So when I came to Nigeria and I was arrested, part of the reason why they arrest me, they talk now because me I follow Kanu, want to divide Nigeria, overthrow the government. They even at a point put a charge together relating to me and Kanu that we kill some people for Anambra, but they don't prosecute me for that. Eventually. So when they come go kidnap him from Kenya, come back when I hear.
Now kidnap. You use the word kidnap. I think it's an arrest.
No, not kidnap. You know, it's called extraordinary rendition. Where you go carry somebody illegally from another.
Illegally.
Carry him. It just be like the way they carry Marudiko.
Okay, that time I put on for container.
This one is more or less of a container, but his own is even worse because they tortured him. So when I heard about that, I said,
Oh, they tortured him. But he never talk him for court. Still didn't torture him.
They've spoken about it now. They did allow him talk for court. They allow him to talk for court now. So I was one of the first person we go court. I hear say they bring him. I run go court that day. Speak, say, I know say this one. Nah, they kidnap this guy. And whatever happens, justice demand that he's given fair trial. I know say you know if you get fair trial.
Okay.
So when they come begin trial, I knew that they will need people like us to stand up there for him so that he can get that fair trial. Even though I know say there's no way he can get fair trial.
I better put mouth for microphone.
Yes.
I
know say there's no free get fair trial. So
okay.
I go there to make the point that he can get fair trial. So DSS, they go push me back. They're not going to let me. But when they discover, say, I know they give up. Then they can't go, they hire thugs. They'll come there, they go break my car. One day, one carry knife, dagger, to try stab me for the court premise. But it did not stop me because I know that there's no how they can keep the agitation for justice under control. No matter how, even if they let me, they kill Kanu. Another person who was past Kanu
go come
out. I mean, worse in a good sense.
Yes.
Because this one aspiration for freedom. The apartheid did it to blacks. Eventually, they have to give up. If you want the Biafrans to stay in Nigeria, you have to submit
equal
to the
playing
cause
field
of justice. You cannot have them excluded from appointments. Goodies that come from government. You are building a second Niger bridge after how many years that the war ended, and you want us to be celebrating at the time that you should have had third, fourth bridge in the place. You cannot find them in commanding positions in the country. I know this will lead some people to say, "Oh, why is it that you are not supporting Peter Obi since he's from there?" That one is pedestrian. The issue is that it's more fundamental than that. So that's the reason I go to support him in court in solidarity. I feel like whatever I could do to be his voice, because I know what it is to be put in solitary confinement, where you have no access to phone, you're unable to tell your story, your lawyers are, teleguided to talk with you. There's no way you can get justice when you cannot even have access to your lawyer in private. Because in the DSS, somebody must sit in between the two of you
to hear what you're saying.
You understand? And they will still put cameras everywhere. So I felt like, and this is not the first time they are doing this to him. So I felt like I have a duty
to stand with him.
And I know that for that reason, they also wanted to terminate my life because of the number of attacks that I got. But I didn't stop, and I won't stop. And that applies to every other person in the country that is unjustifiably, treated. Like Dasuki. I also stood with the Shiites. Ezazaki was also in prison. We kept fighting for him until he got out. So this is my position. I have a default position when there's injustice. I will stand up and fight. And I hope that they are listening.
All right.
They're wasting their time keeping Kanu.
All right. You think, at the end of the day, Nnamdi Kanu go free?
They go free.
He go free?
There's nothing they can
And you think, him no go compromise or surrender, saying don't tire?
If he surrender, the forces behind the agitation cannot surrender. You can't get them to surrender. This ANC we hear about South Africa, you think now only Mandela did there.
Not true.
Other people don't come, go, they don't tire, they don't kill someone, but the spirit
lives on.
Maybe you said Masop don't come.
Yes.
Another one will come. As long as that injustice day, the resistance must continue, and everywhere there is injustice and oppression, there must be equal measure of resistance.
Confirm. All right, on top this exclusive interview, it go pain me, sir, I no pick one person. Make we just pick only one person so that I go complete a real interview. The first person to call me to ask Showore just one question, and Showore go take 30 seconds because now time for them say 9 minutes. A very exclusive interview. People from Obodo Ibo, everybody are they see now make una know first. We need to know more things. That is why I focus on him to talk more. All right. Who they there? I throw away salute. No time for play.
Expensive inside.
Any other one, Damasa, is a counterfeit.
Expensive. I don't follow this program. It's just that man is talk nothing but the truth.
Okay.
You see that cell?
No go waiting, don't talk. Which question you want ask him? Straight to the point.
What I ask and say now, we the youth now.
Yes.
What is our hope? How will take links to run? Because this way they talk now. Both me and my guys then are inside with they now.
Oh, you don't dey inside now.
Now inside me, my guys then we pass 20.
Okay.
Listen to the you now. Now inside with they. They have to.
All right. He say how they go take linked to you.
You feel link me for my Twitter account, Yele Showore.
Okay.
At Yele Showore. You feel link me for my Facebook DM,
all
Instagram.
Right. I forgive my number, but
the whole world go take am.
So you can link, and then I'll send you my. But you can go to the website and join the movement.
All right.
On Showore2023.org.
All right. Showore2023.org.
Yes.
All right. Make I pick one more person. Thank you. Who they there?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, I dey hear you. No time for play. Ask Showore the question. Who you be?
Good evening.
Well done.
Showore.
Good evening.
But I want to ask and say, I say don't come let us know as they go. Then the next thing that you do now about this our government, how then they follow them up? Whether not say both of the things where they happen for Nigeria, whether then they know as it is should they go for Nigeria, and waiting government they talk about them. Even both killings, so and the food wey no dey everywhere wey dem block because I dey hear about show even when I dey hear me sef me I dey inside because even the time wey they attack am for Abuja if na person wey be say e dey with all these people now wey dem dey talk then e no fit go there dem no fit attack am that because na I know say him dey against government all of us wey dey now know say government wey dey now dem no dey try for Nigeria so that's why we need more of them make dem can even some people wey dey make sure wey dey with am like these our there's a fast papa wey dey talk I know say na person wey
okay Falana
yeah Femi Falana yes so I wish I go see game on and they suppose don come out so that if they say na India Tinubu wey be say like they say Yoruba come out say na Tinubu na him dey with the year in them we for dey more happy na somebody like him everybody dey hope for but and the people wey dey point say e dey do much for their matter we sef dey happy even people wey me and dem dey say that means he get love for so many people wey be say and wetin dey talk about Obi he say Obi don go step leg into those people wey be say they corrupt if not if you start with Obi all of us sef we dey with everybody wey in dey with because the people wey dey here dey say if you say e don come out dey talk say we na there we for channel.
Him don come out now you no know him party you see na make I dey say even logo of your party they no know say you don come out for president o.
Confirm oga Shey
they no know.
Dey your back thank God say you come out to enlighten us to know more things wey be say we no know.
All right, thank you. Okay, Chinenye. Thank you. Abeg, just 30 seconds make you clarify. He no say you come out for president. Say you suppose come out like Tinubu so that we go know. You see, I'm Nigerian.
The thing where I want to talk to me, I be Yoruba, I be Igbo, I be Jaw, I be Hausa. I don't get any ethnic bone for my body. I want everything to be good for every Nigerian. That make me feel go risk my life for Kano.
All right.
You understand? Without asking, say, whether I be Igbo. Because I know, say, this country feel good. And if they pay me, say, we get country where scatter like this.
All right.
And that make me bring myself out. If you never hear before, you don't hear them now.
Okay.
Show whatever for president.
Confirm.
We will vote for the person we no road so that we will feel enjoy better.
Confirm.
This country.
All right, thank you. And finally, before you go, we hear said in the throwaway PVCs, people PVCs, and people never collect PVCs. Yes. Wetin be your advice for INEC? You think say INEC go do credible election and then go finally give me many people never still get PVC. I beg, make we make and snap.
Are they worried about INEC?
All right.
And the reason we say they don't put people for INEC National Commissioner will be APC card carry members.
Okay.
We have to keep an eye on them. Work day.
Okay.
I don't lie to now. Work day.
All right.
And the work when Nigerians get a pass this election.
Correct.
But at the beginning, because like I said before, maybe now their hand they go push this bicycle reach
where they go pack them. Yeah. All right. Omoyele Showore, I want to tell you, say thank you very, very plenty for your time, for your patience, for your sincerity of purpose, and for the way you talk, and even for your transparency.
Yes.
On top the level. Some people know they like to answer question, but you answer every question. No question vex you. I appreciate you. That is one of the characteristic of a good leader. You know they vex for any question. You say, let them go check your account and everything. Once again, thank you very, very plenty, and I wish you the best. I beg, if you do your political party, make una they do campaign. You see that guy, no say you cover for
5 months to go now. Chance today.
Okay.
Yes, we will reach every nook and cranny of Nigeria. But anybody way here,
all right, make
you go for AAC, the African Action Congress.
All right. All right. You don't hear him. Now I'm the presidential candidate of African Action Congress. Their party get action.
Yes. We call them take it back.
All right. Thank you very plenty. My name still remain my name. E to the X to the P. Expensive for short. Thank you. I appreciate.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.